Dusty plains, the sun beats down hard. Green machines rolling, no rest for the weary. John Deere roars, rip through the silence. Corn stalks falling in the Kansas wind. Hands rough, minds tired, sweats are holy water. Golden grains collect like a temporary treasure. Beneath the sky, endless blue with no bounds. We fight the earth in fields under skews. Kansas wind howling like a wild beast. John Deere humming, our only priest. Cornfields stretching to the horizon's end. This rock and roll harvest never bends. Torn jeans, the tatters flapping free. What's battered visions in machinery's glare. Harvest whispers as the engine screams. Heartbeats sync with the fields we tear. Wind sings ballads of harvest found and lost. Whistles through the rust, it's haunting cost. Sacrifice written in dirt and grind. Songs of labor woven in rock and rhyme. Night falls, but we ain't quitting. Iron giants plowing through the dark. Kansas stars witness our toil and sweat. With John Deere as a spark we won't forget. Kansas wind howling like a wild beast. John Deere humming, our only priest. Cornfields stretching to the horizon's end. This rock and roll harvest never bends. Kansas wind howling like a wild beast. John Deere humming, our only priest. Cornfields stretching to the horizon's end. This rock and roll harvest never bends. Kansas wind howling like a wild beast. John Deere humming, our only priest. Cornfields stretching to the horizon's end. This rock and roll harvest never bends. This rock and roll harvest never bends. Torn jeans, the tatters flapping free. Mud spattered visions in machinery's glare. Harvest whispers as the engine screams. Heartbeats sync with the fields we tear. This rock and roll harvest never bends. Torn jeans, the tatters, flappers flapping free. Mud spattered visions in machinery's glare. Harvest whispers as the engine screams. Heartbeats sync with the fields we tear. Heartbeats sync with the fields we tear. Wind sings ballads of harvest found and lost. Whistles through the rust, it's haunting cost. Castles through the rust, it's haunting cold sweat. With John Deere as our spark, we won't forget. Dusty plains, the sun beats down hard. Green machines rolling, no rest for the weary. John Deere roars, rip through the silence. Corn stalks falling in the Kansas wind. Hands rough, minds tired, sweats are holy water. Golden grains collect like a temporary treasure. Beneath the sky, endless blue with no bounds. We fight the earth in fields unrescued. Kansas wind howling like a wild beast. John Deere humming, our own priest. Cornfields stretching to the horizon's end. We fight and roll, harvest never bends. Torn jeans, the tatters flapping free. Mud spattered visions in machinery's glare. Harvest whispers as the engine screams. Heartbeats sync with the fields we tear. Wind sings ballads of harvest found and lost. Whistles through the rust, it's haunting cost. Sacrifice written in dirt and grime. Songs of labor woven in rock and rhyme. Night falls, but we ain't quitting. Iron giants plowing through the dark. is our spark we won't forget. Night falls, but we ain't quitting. Iron giants plowing through the dark. Kansas stars witness our toil and sweat. With John Deere as our spark, we won't forget. Fields of green and open skies, John Deere hums the tractor's cries. Kansas wind, it whispers low, harvest time and crops will grow. Sunrise paints the morning gold, farmers' hands are strong and bold. Rows of corn, they stand so tall, in this life we give our all. Corn harvest in the Kansas wind, John Deere rolls as work begins. Earth and sky in perfect blend, cycle of life never ends. Dusty boots and callous skin, every day a new begin. Turning soil and planting dreams, hard work flows the fields and streams. Whistle of the autumn breeze, rustling leaves on mighty trees. John Deere rolls with strength and light, through the day and through the night. In the Kansas wind, John Deere roars as work begins. Earth and sky in perfect blend, cycle of life never ends. Sunrise paints the morning gold, farmers' hands are strong and bold. Rows of corn, they stand so tall, in this life we give our all. Corn harvest in the Kansas wind, John Deere roars as work begins. Earth and sky in perfect blend, cycle of life never ends. Never ends. Dusty boots and callous skin, every day a new begin. Turning soil and planting dreams, hard work flows through fields and streams. Fields of green and open skies, John Deere hums the tractor's cries. Kansas wind, it whispers low, harvest time and crops will grow. Sunrise paints the morning gold, farmers' hands are strong and bold. Rows of corn, they stand so tall, in this life we give our all. Corn harvest in the Kansas wind, John Deere roars as work begins. Earth and sky in perfect blend, cycle of life we give our all. Corn harvest in Kansas wind, John Deere roars as work begins. Earth and sky in perfect blend, cycle of life never ends. Dusty boots and callous skin, every day a new begin. Turning soil and planting dreams, Hard work flows through fields and streams. Whistle of the autumn breeze, rustling leaves on mighty trees. John Deere rolls with strength and might, through the day and through the night. Corn harvest in the Kansas wind, John Deere roars, his work begins. Earth and sky in perfect blend, cycle alive.